This video for repair the units and handset. Step 1. Turn on the units and turn on the handset. If you didn't connect, you will see 4 green lights that is flashing. Now, we want to repair the units and the handset. Step 2 is to turn off the units and the handset as well. Step 3 needs to turn on the units and the handset. We need to immediately press and hold on the stop button while repeatedly pressing the up buttons. When you hear beep sounds from the handset, that means you have successfully connected your handsets with your units.